Hello everyone and good evening po. Good evening tuloy. Good afternoon sa ating lahat. Today is Wednesday, October 20, 2021. And as usual, andito ulit tayo for our Wednesday edition ng ating end of the market recap, no? Na kung saan pinag-uusapan natin yung mga happening sa market, especially yung magiging final 30 minutes of our trading. Kasama na dito yung mga news and disclosures that matter within the day na anything na pwedeng basically makaapekto doon sa presyohan, no, on a daily basis. So, ayun. Hello sa inyong lahat and good afternoon. Batiin ko lang muna, no, yung mga kasama natin na nasa stream right now. So, we have Yumir. Hello, good afternoon. Yan, welcome. Autoload Philippines, magandang hapon. Maganda yung market ngayon pero pulahan yung port ko, yun lang. Okay lang yan, okay lang yan. Ganun talaga, no? Sometimes green, sometimes red, no? But as long as within your trading plan pa rin naman, no? Kumbaga setup nyo is still intact, then okay lang yan. Yan. Hello Apple, good afternoon. Connie, hello sa'yo. David, good afternoon. Lori, Team, Rowena, hello. And good afternoon. Brian, hello from Davao City. Uy, hello. Magandang tanghali. Ayan. Sige. So siguro no, parang panimula natin ngayon. Let's have a quick market recap muna no kung ano yung nangyayari sa market natin sa ngayon. So as we can see here, PSEI is up no ng medyo maliit lang, 6.98 points or 0.1%. We are currently at 7,273.29 with a value turnover no na nasa 7.12 billion, which is good. No, if you recall, itong presyohan na nasa around 6 to 7 billion while hindi pa tayo umabot sa run-off period is relatively good, no? Kasi it is in line doon sa ating, kumbaga, ang tawag doon, yung average natin na traded value in the first 6 months of the year, no? So, ayan. Advancers are leading 103 versus 83 lamang, no? Tapos meron lang tayong around 51 na unchanged so far. Pagdating naman sa foreign, we are net foreign buy for today of about medyo maliitan, no? 70 million. So, ano pa to? Pwede pang mag-iba to mamaya. But we will see. Okay? Now, in terms of the sectors, everyone is green except for property and mining and oil. Si mining and oil, medyo matindihan yung labanan dito. Minus 2.78% na siya. Ayan. Okay, and then on the stat sheet, silipin natin, top gainers natin, we have MFIN, 25%, pero ano lang yan, tawag ito, pwede nang i-ignore kasi 2 trades lang naman siya. No? Pero ito yung malakas ngayon, no? Si ACEX, up siya ng 14%. Pag-uusapan natin si ACEX maya-maya ng konti. That is followed by TechW, up ng 10.57, PAPES, Land, MB, Tech, LFM, Bloom, Converge, and the rest. While on the worst losers naman, ayan. So we have PHR, PHR is down, minus 11%. Mas matindi pa yung binaba niya compared to Chelsea. Okay. Kasama nila dito si MVC, SCC, Ever, BSC, MGIC, DMC, CPM, GAB, and the rest. Ayan. So far, no, ito yung galawan ng market natin. By the way, guys, maya-maya, I'm still waiting for the final end of the market dahil meron akong isang inaabangan na trade. Kapag na-hit yung target ko sa kanya, then I might buy this stock maya-maya, ano. So, ayun lang. Ano ko lang, pahabol ko lang. Baka makita nyo ako mamaya na tumahimik eh. So, ayan. Okay. Sige, no. Now, let me go back sa comment section. Silipin muna natin, no, and then we will proceed with the news. Saan ba ako nag-stop kanina? Ayan. Hello, Joshua. Good afternoon. Lunchtime na nga. Yes. Hello, Camille. Good afternoon. YouTube watcher, good afternoon. Muntik ko na mabenta yung Wilcon. Hindi siya bumaba sa 27.80. Okay. Well, at least 'no, I think medyo gumaganda na yung ano, nagsa-stabilize na yung presyohan ni Welcon, which is good. Sabi ni David, "If you buy SCC and DMC today, will it still be included sa dividend payout?" Not anymore. Wait lang, not anymore kay SCC, pero si DMC puwede pa. Okay? Sige, pag-usapan natin yung dalawa na yun 'no. As we have observed here, so si DMC is down ngayon 'no, 3.74. Okay? Bumalik siya 'no, na kumbaga na anong tawag dun, na-break niya yung support ngayong araw na 'to. Okay? Now, why is this happening? This is in anticipation doon sa X date. Okay? So DMC's X date sa kanilang dividend is tomorrow. Saan na 'yan? Ayan, ayan. So tomorrow 'no, magbibigay sila ng dividend ng 0.48 per share or roughly around 5% 'no, dividend yield versus its current market price na 8.76. Okay? So siyempre kung mas mababa yung presyohan mo, mas malaki yung dividend yield. Okay? Pero 'yan, ex-date niya is tomorrow. Okay? So last day today kung yung mga gustong bumili kay DMC, kung gustong magkaroon ah, ng dividend 'no, pero down na siya ngayon. Now, tomorrow I am expecting that DMC will continue to drop dahil usually naman yung galawan ng mga ano, nung mga dividend 'no, nagda-drop. As an example, puntahan natin si SCC, okey. So, SCC ang kanyang tawag ito, ang kanyang ex date ay actually today. Ayan, so today ang ex date niya. That's why makikita natin si SCC dropping 7% 'no, ngayong araw na 'to. 'Yan, so medyo malakihan 'yan, 'yan. And then, as the days goes by, magno-normalize naman na yung presyo. Okay. So ayun, once again 'no, kung ngayon ka palang bibili ng SCC, sorry pero hindi ka na eligible for the dividend. Okay. Pero kung ngayon ka palang bibili ng DMC, then you are still eligible tapos kahit ibenta mo siya bukas, makakakuha ka pa din ng dividend. Okay. So ayan. Now, speaking about that, so since na pag-usapan natin itong si SCC at saka si DMC, let's move on to ano 'no, ACE and XOR. ACE and XOR. Okay. So as we have or at least yung thumbnail na nakita ninyo kanina 'no, so ACE and XOR is planning to conduct SRO. Okay, they are planning to conduct an SRO. I'll explain kung bakit 'no. Kasi remember that, there was I think ito 'yun, there was a disclosure kahapon 'no, related doon sa property share swap ng ACEN at saka ng ACE and XOR. Okay? So what's happening here is that, 'di ba nga si ACEN ang plano niya is to have 5,000 megawatts of clean renewable energy by 2025. Yun yung plano nila 'no. And, for parang ang napapansin ko dito pinupush nila sa subsidiary nila yung hindi gano'n ka-clean na energy source, okay? And dun papasok si ACE and XOR, okay? Now because of the share swap, my expectation is for ACE and XOR 'no, kumbaga share swap, eh. So shares ni ACEN, bibilhin ni ACE and XOR tapos yung pambayad niya is share din ni ACE and XOR. Okay? So at what price point? At 10 pesos. Okay? Now, yung sinasabi ko kanina na bakit magkakaroon ng SRO, that is because once this property swap nag-take effect, yung public float ni ACE and XOR will be liliit. Okay? And for ACE and XOR to continue, kasi kapag lumiit na yon, mayroon lang tayong minimum public float eh. Diba? If I'm not mistaken, 10%. If less than 10%, then dalawa ang pwedeng gawin ng company. Either magpa-delist siya, okay, or mag-i-issue siya ng additional shares. Okay? Now, dito papasok yung SRO. Okay? That is basically an issuance of new shares sa market. Okay? So kaya may SRO para ma-prevent nila na ma-delist ang ACEX sa stock market. Okay? Now, because of that, as we can see here, the approval to conduct the SRO of up to 105 million company shares at 10 pesos. Okay? Now, itong 10 pesos na to, this is quite interesting, no? Why? Kasi ACEX is currently 19 pesos na siya. So, ang laking discount nun para doon sa mga mag-SRO or doon sa mga mag-avail ng SRO. Diba? Almost 50%, no? 40-50% na discount dun sa mag-avail. Okay? Ayan. So basically yun yung kwento ano why there is an SRO. And para doon sa mga kung napansin niyo kanina, the trading ng ACEX was also temporarily suspended for just an hour, 9:30 hanggang 10:30, no? But then after that, ayan, kita natin no, ang lakas pa rin ni ACEX. Okay? So currently ayun nagko-close na siya sa 1898. Okay? So ayan. I don't know what do you guys think? Dun sa mga may hawak ng ACEX, will you buy? Will you participate or subscribe dun sa SRO or not? Okay? Wala pa tayong dates ha. Hindi pa nagbibigay ng kung kailan i-offer at kung kailan yung listing. So we will have to find that out. Pero at least the pricing is already final. At least has already been provided. Okay? So ayan. Now, wait lang guys I'll have to make a quick check kung umabot ba yung okay. So wait lang, mukhang na-hit yung target ko. So I am ano lang muna ako. Execute lang muna ako ng trade ha. Hmm, ayan. Okay. Nag-execute lang muna tayo ng trade para masaya, 'di ba? Okay. So, going back, asan tayo? AC and XOR. So, ayan, I hope malinaw naman siya, no? Or at least I hope na explain ko naman siya na maayos. Okay, sige. Let me check sa comment section kung may mga questions pa rito. So this one tapos na. Any thoughts on Arit? Wala nang masyadong news dito, no? Pero ang lakas ni Arit kasi kanina nag all-time high. Yeah, all-time high ulit siya, no? Umabot siya ng 43 pesos. Although umurong naman siya, pero still, this is relatively good, no? Really pushing for Arit, di ba? Ang saya. So congrats sa mga may hawak. Louie, tama ba sir ang payment sa call ng all day sa Friday? Anong effect kay home sa price action? Wala. I don't think na may effect siya, no? Magkakatalo lang 'yan sa more on sentiment lang 'yan. Pero yeah, I don't think may effect 'yun. Auto Philippines Monday bounce confirmation na po ba yung green candle and gap up? Monday. Could be, pwede. no? Pwedeng pa-bounce na siya. Pero medyo ano pa 'to, still too early to tell. Siguro I'll wait for the next candle, 'no. ASIN daw balik sa 1188. Nag-close lang din 'no, flat. Parang just like what happened yesterday. Sabi ni Daniel, "Sir, if you have a buying power of 300,000, willing to lose for all the IPO will go for all-in of 500 share." I don't think it's a good idea to go all in on any particular stock. I don't think it is a good idea. Okay, kasi nawala na agad yung risk management mo, eh. What if 'no, sabi ko nga 'di ba, walang nakakaalam kung ano ang mangyayari sa presyuhan ni All Day on the listing date. It can fly, it can drop. What if it drops, 'di ba? So, kung halimbawa mag-o-all in ka sa kanya, uh, then, when it drops, then durog ang capital mo, okay? So, again, only invest what you can afford to lose. Okay? Every time you are entering a position, always think na this is a losing position agad. Okay? So that kapag nangyari nga 'yon, mag-drop yung presyo, then less pain ika nga, 'di ba? Now, speaking of all day, no? At least I have seen dalawang brokers na yung nag-declare ng kanilang ano, na oversubscribe na dun sa kanila, 'no, sa mga brokers sa brokerage nila yung subscription for all day. These are PhilStocks and BPI Trade, okay? I'm not sure with other brokers ha, if merong mga gano'ng announcement. Okay, if you know, excuse me, if you know, pa-drop naman ng comment, gusto ko ring malaman. Kasi ayun lang, as far as I know talaga BPI at saka PhilStocks pa lang, 'no, yung nagsasabi na oversubscribe. Okay, sabi ni Yumir, looking on purchasing, sir, for the discounted price. Yep. Si Camille din magsa-subscribe daw siya. I think ito is dun sa ACEX, 'no? Yeah. Okay. So, ACEX, SRO. Si James naman, ACEX will have income generating power plants. Okay. Hindi ako familiar kasi kay ACEX, eh. Hindi ko alam yung total ano niya, yung kumbaga how many plants they have, how many of those are earning already, or how many of those are still in in the growth phase, no? So hindi ko pa alam. Jonathan, 5% pa rin po ba ang cut loss level mo sa IPO? No. For IPOs mas malaki. Depende sa stock, no? But then my default is 10 to 12% cut loss level ko on IPOs kasi I expect that IPOs will have volatility, no, when it lists sa exchange. Okay? So ayun. Um, Sige. Now let's have a quick ano na, no, quick check lang ng mga trending stocks, no? So unahin ko muna, we have seen si ASEN, ayan, flat siya today. Ay, flat ba? Oo, flat siya, no, 1188. Si Monde ay ayun, looking like a bounce, no? Itong si Monde. Converge, ayun, this is also already a bounce, no, for Converge. Although I'd be interested, no, to see kung kaya niyang ma-sustain or kaya niyang ma-hold itong 38.85, 32.85. Okay, and DMC, ayun, drop nga 877. Tomorrow, I am expecting na baka may additional drop ito dahil X date, no. SCC nag-rebound. Ayan, medyo konting rebound din siya, no. So still down pa rin ng 6%. Kasi kanina we are looking at around 7.14% yata. Tapos na push. GMA 7, yun lang. Nagpapakiramdaman pa sa 1468 na ano, na na support, 'no. So we'll see how this one will pan out eventually. ACX. Ayan. So ACX 1898, this is a confirmed breakout from etong 1770, 'no. So we'll see how, magkakatalo pa kasi 'yan dahil dun sa ano, kung kailan, eh, 'no. It's a good thing that they have already provided the price point, pero since wala pa yung date kung kailan siya mangyayari, then I still think na magkakaroon pa ng ano 'to, ng magandang volatility, ika nga, 'no. Ano pa ba, yung mga trending na nakaraan, Wilcon, yun. So mukhang nagba-bounce siya sa ₱28, 'no. I hope na magtuloy-tuloy. Nagkataon lang din na itong si, Wilcon is, or yung presyo niya is nagba-bounce dun sa 38.2 ng FIBO level. Okay. Yung kanina BSC, ano nangyari? Oh, wow. Okay. So BSC kasi is, hindi kasi I remember this one dahil kahapon isa siya, or hindi isa siya, but siya yung top gainer natin, 'di ba? Because of yung kanilang disclosure, na they are planning to buy majority stake kay Oil, which is a local gas station. Ayan. So because of that, lumobo si BSE, and then today, we are seeing a pullback. Ayan. Ano pa ba? Halos yun lang naman. All HC. Ayan. So All HC is starting to climb up again. Tingnan natin tong MA50, no? Ang ganda ng movement, no? Sumalo talaga siya dun kay All HC. Okay? So, ayan. Now, let's have a final recap ng ating market ngayon. So, PSEI is up 30 points or 0.42%, no? 7,297.08 tayo ngayon with a value turnover na nasa 8.52 billion, which is good. Advancers are taking the lead, 106 versus 80 decliners and 52 unchanged. While on our foreign, ayun, nag-siso. Kasi kanina, we are net foreign buy, pero ngayon, we are net foreign sell naman. Okay, so we are closing at net foreign sell of about 30 million pesos. Yan. Sector-wise, everything is green except for financial and mining and oil. No, medyo malaki yung drop ni mining and oil dito at minus 2%. Stat sheets, worst loser natin still, PHR, no, minus 12%, followed by MVC, Ever, SEC, BSC, ATN, Magic, C, and the rest. No? Now we are seeing yung drop dito sa sa Dennis Uy group of companies, no, because of the, 'di ba may nilabas na news din kahapon or nung nakaraan pa na someone is suing si Kusi ng PDP Laban at saka si Dennis Uy, no, because of the anomaly daw doon sa oil exploration sa may Palawan. Okay, so because of that, syempre sentiment drop. Kaya kita natin PHR is dropping 12.50, Chelsea is also dropping 3.9. Si ano kaya dito? Ayun, down din si dito ngayon, no. And ito watch out for this one, dito holders. Yung 7 pesos, I still think that this is a strong support. So nandoon na siya, nasa bingit na siya. Hopefully mag-hold 'yan. Otherwise baka mag-drop. Okay? So just watch out for that. Okay. Now top gainers natin, we have MFIN pa rin. Kanina 2 trades, ngayon 3 trades na siya. So may isang namili. And TechW is still up 11%, ACEX 10.48, PA, PES, Bloom, Landtech, and the rest. Ayan. So, ayun, medyo maganda yung galawan ng market natin ngayon. I hope that your stocks are doing well. Okay. So, ayan guys, hanggang dito lamang po muna yung ating, stream today dahil, this is just a quick, end of day market recap. As always, good luck sa inyong mga trading. Bye guys.